So you're probably thinking to yourself, Lori, what in the world is coastal grandma? And why am I seeing so much about it right now? So, this is a trend that's blowing up in the reseller community for fashion, period. It is something I feel it's very obtainable for the average seller, so it's going to be easy to find and thrift for. There's probably a lot of us that have some of this already in our stock. What is coastal grandma? So in this photograph, you're going to see that she has on a drapey cardigan, right? And a tan collar. She has on some white trouser slacks. The turtleneck, solid white shirt. So everything feels very pulled together, very natural, the kind of coastal feel. So this trend is really blowing up in our community right now. And it would really make a lot of sense for us to take advantage of it. This trend right here, this photograph shows a young lady in a beachy bucket hat, a way oversized Oxford and white. We have the light wash denim, which is bringing a comeback with this coastal girl. Of course, high waist or baggy legs. So this trend is going to be super easy, as you'll see, for us to be able to pick up on and use keywords and basically kind of be quote unquote trending. Okay, so in this photograph, it's obviously a very beachy type of outfit. She's on a beach. It's a chambray midi dress. It's a lightweight denim. She has some slide sandals in her hands. The woven bucket hat, like probably a grass hat or something along those lines. She has the rope belt around her waist, okay? So everything is very natural, very airy and breathable, very neutral. Even like the light blues and denims is a big part of coastal, kind of like maybe a muted nautical, so to speak. So we're going to kind of see this trend, I believe, throughout the rest of summer. We're seeing white trousers, white pants, pull on pants, like the kind with the elastic, right? Super popular right now. Okay, so this, you're going to see the white on white with cream and beige, right? That's the vibe and feeling you're looking for right now. So you're going to see the bucket hat with the sweater, with the t-shirt underneath it, with the culottes or the white Bermuda shorts, the chambray midi dress with the tan leather belt, with the tan leather tote bag. Everything is very classic, almost preppy. Okay, so all things neutral. Coastal is tan, it's beige, cream, white, like a lighter style blue, off white, ivory, black, and basic neutrals that are kind of like a toned down nautical beachy vibe. So there are other colors. You could say a soft yellow is definitely a grandma coastal. But when we're talking true coastal collars, they're very neutral. They are all things natural as well. So you have your linen. The gauzy fabric sounds natural, right? Flowy. So it kind of feels like it's flowy and natural. Silk is a natural fabric. 100% cotton. Say if it's organic. Say if it's Pima. Say if it's poplin. Then canvas shoes as well, espadrilles. So all things classic. So your classic tan or white or black oversized blazer, your overcoats and trench coats, your cardigan sweaters of all different types in your neutral tones, pull on pants with the elastic waist that's slightly cropped, and solid collars. So your solid neutral collars. Prints are not necessarily a coastal look. So all things beachy. You have your oversized shirts, your cotton shirts, your sandals, your cropped pants, things that you could imagine taking a romantic stroll on the beach at the end of the day. Not too dressy, not too casual as far as like, sweatpants and loungewear, but somewhere in between that, you guys. It is a real feeling of comfort. So, what is going to be our challenge today? We're going to do a delist and relist challenge or list new, whichever you prefer, of Coastal Grandma. We're going to go and see, and anything that you have on this list, I want you to post a link to it, even if you have all 9 things. So, we're going to be looking for people that are selling a wicker purse, woven hats, oversized solid t shirts, khaki pants or shorts, espadrille shoes, linen pants, a draped cardigan, an oversized blazer, and a blue button up shirt. So if you have those items, I want you to go in and put in somewhere in your listing Coastal Grandma. Even in your style tags is just fine. Although I have found trends show up just using it in my description as well as style tags. But go in there and make those changes, then make a link to that onto this post, and we will help share each other's items. We'll take advantage of this big boom and the fact that not only is the reseller world talking about this trend, but it's been on talk shows, the morning show, news stations, different types of big brands are really focusing on this trend. So it's going to really give us a good advantage to get on top of this. So some of the keyword ideas for Coastal Grandma is Coastal Grandma, Beachy, Gauzy, Linen, Khaki, Neutral, Tan, Beige, Ivory, Off-White, White, Cotton, Pima Cotton, Organic Cotton, Poplin, Oxford, Drapey, Cardigan, Bucket Hat, Beach Hat, Wicker, chambray, loafers, sandals, lagging look, which is very Coastal Grandma, silk, flowy, and oversized. And I'm sure there's a lot more that we could add to that. And I would suggest to you, if you have your own favorite Coastal Grandma keywords, to be sure to add those into your description, into the title if it makes sense. And I think you're going to see an uptick on sales on these items. I can't believe it is finally time we can all sell all these off-white and white pants that we haven't been able to sell for many years. And what's even more exciting for us Indiana and small town sellers, I've heard through the grapevine that some of the grandma brands like Alfred Dunner and Coldwater Creek is now doing good. Oh my gosh, I just might have a trendy closet after all. All right, you guys, I appreciate you watching. Be sure to go to our page to participate in the group because this is going to be a YouTube video, and that is PFF Poshmark Reseller Group, and that is on Facebook. And I'll make sure I put a link in the description. All right, everybody, bye bye. See you next time.